Alright, what's going on, guys? We're on the ice today. Here with my buddy Ryan. Came out to Badger Creek today, see if we can get some crappie. Bluegill will be acceptable as well. So we're going to see what we can get into today. We're sitting on what, 8 inches?
Yeah.
Ice?
8 or 9.
We're sitting on some good ice. It's getting pretty toasty in the shack. Now the ticket is to catch some fish. Alright guys, here we go. Yeah, well, this is a little smaller gill, but I'll take it. How big would you say, Ryan? 7?
7, yeah.
7-inch gill. Get back down the hole, see if we can get some more. Alright, there we go. Oh, nice fish. I'm stuck with you.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, dude, that's a nice gill. Sorry about that, man. Jeez. That's a pretty big bluegill, though.
Yeah. No, we thought that was going to be.
No, that was a pretty big mark. Come on. There we go. Alright, you're good. Sorry about that, man.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Hooked into this pretty giant gill. It's about a 9. About a 9-inch gill, 9.5. Fish. I'll get him back down that hole. Oh.
I missed him.
Yep, I missed him. Come back. Yeah, he's going back down. No, he came back.
Not.
Holy moly, he came back.
You crappie.
Oh, that's a nice
big
gill. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. That's another solid, like a 9-inch.
Start keeping those now.
You want them?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Good gill.
That's an easy 9.
9-inch gill? Yeah.
Way bigger in your hand.
Yeah. That's a big gill, guys. Keep that. Alright, guys. We got some fish on the screen. Hold on, take it. There he is. Ooh. Oh, tiny little guy. Well, he's a great eater though, but it's just little. About a 6-inch gill, 6.5. Great looking healthy fish. Get him back down that hole and see if we can get some more. Alright. How big is yours? Same size?
Yeah. 7, 8 inches. Oh. Ouch.
Got some really nice gills, guys.
Swimming in our puddle.
Ryan got hooked up with his too.
Same.
Yep, good eaters.
Oh. This one's not going to be eaten in a second.
Bite's pretty on right now, guys, so hopefully we can get some more. Alright, Ryan's hooked up. Oh,
geez,
my goodness.
That's a giant
gill, yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That's over 10.
That's probably
It's
9.
not-
9 or 10. Probably 10.
Jeez.
Like there's my fingers. It's what past my, a couple inches
Dude, it
past my
has
wrist.
to be over 10, dude. 10,
Yeah.
11. Oh
That's
my
freaking
god.
huge. And this horse down my jig too.
Oh my god. That's a giant gill.
Dang, you horsed that down too. Yeah.
You gotta show the camera that one. Holy crap, that thing's huge. Yeah, that's a giant gill.
Oh, he's right on you.
Yeah, he's on me. Come on.
Oh, I just missed one off the bottom.
Did you?
I think I'll risk it. I think my wax from still on there. Oh,
Again?
That must be one of them little ones down there. Just wow, there's a lot of.
Gee, there's a lot of fish down there.
There he is.
Jeez. There he is. He's a decent guy. He's not gonna go home, but.
Nope, they finally got it. Finally got my wax worm.
Gill. Oh, smaller one. Jeez. Like 4.5, 5 incher. You're getting a hit.
Good
Got
call. This one has some weight on it. This one has some weight on it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nice gill, dude. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's another like 9.
No. Yeah.
Jeez, yeah, that's a good fish.
Oh, shit. I got some on this one.
Yep, Ryan just hooked up into another nice gill. For another 9.
Yeah, 8 or 9.
Alright. Ryan's hooked up. Not a bad one.
A little smaller one.
Yeah.
I big that last one. Ouch.
How big would you say that one is? 6.5?
6, yeah.
Nice.
Think. No, another 6.
Nice.
He's toying with that for a long time.
Yeah.
God, he horsed it too. Get real pliers for this one. Pliers.
Go. Yeah, of course. I think he's a little dink. About a 4.5, 5 inch. Nice one. Not bad. Oh yeah, he's handful, dude.
Yeah.
That's a nice gill. Was that like a 7, 7.5?
Yeah, so him like
Mm,
this one
fish.
skillet.
Awesome fish. Jeez. Feisty little guy.
Made a mess of things down
He
there.
sure did. Oh, another nice one. Not bad.
Yeah.
Another good gill. You want this one or no?
Yeah, skillet.
Okay.
One to clean 10, might as well make 11.
Dude, the screen's lit, man. Alright,
It's a little
Ryan's
bigger
hooked
gill.
up. You got a good one there? Oh,
Oh,
dude, that is a
That's
hog.
a fat one too.
That's a nice one.
It's fat.
That might be the second biggest. Dude, that's a
Yeah.
nice gill,
Bigger
man.
in my hand.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a great eater. Could you lip him at all?
What? Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Holy moly, that's a big gill. Yeah, nice.
It's getting bigger in my hand.
And Ryan has giant hands, so. Another nice gill. Look at that, guys. Another about a 5.5, 6 inch gill. Could be 6.5. What do you think? Nice gill, huh?
Yeah, 6.
Let him go. Let this one
Yeah.
go. Okay. Let's get back down there. We're definitely getting some good size now.
Yeah. Finally. There's one.
Got one?
Yep.
Nice.
He's
Little guy.
little guy. They're just inhaling this thing. Dang.
coming up too.
Yeah, you're right on one. Yep.
There he is.
Oh,
dude,
yeah.
that's a nice one. This thing is so wide, dude.
It is wide.
Oh my goodness. That is a giant.
Is that the right
gill.
term? It's like almost like tall is the right term. Like from its belly to its back,
Yeah.
it's really big.
This is a freaking giant gill.
I don't know how to explain the size like that.
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
That is a giant.
Big old fillet out of that.
Oh my goodness. Alright, Ryan's hooked up.
It's gotta be a crappie. Oh, gill on the minnow.
Yeah, we're doubled up.
Look at that. Should I see if I
Gill on
can
the minnow.
this one?
Doubled up, guys. Look at that.
Trying to go for the triple here with this one.
That was fun. That was awesome.
On the minnow.
He hit the minnow. You hit a minnow on that one?
Yep.
This is a little bit on the small side. About a 5-inch gill.
-2.
Got my gill. This is some great action though.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Alright guys. Another one. Not bad.
It's close.
Close, yeah, close to eater, but we're gonna let this one go. About 6.5, 7.
Yeah.
Great fish.
It was pretty long. It wasn't very thick though.
Yeah. A good fish. Maybe. He just got some fight to him. Damn transducer. That screen's lit, dude. There's a bunch of fish down there. Oh, you missed one?
Yep. Sure did. Yeah, there's
a ton of fish down there now. That's awesome. There's a suspender. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Not anymore.
Well, got another nice gill, guys. About another 7-incher.
Oh, look at this. Oh, God.
What do you think about this one?
Yeah?
Keeper?
Yeah. It's in the live well. The ice well.
No, it didn't. Semi-decent. Better than that small side, though.
Yeah. Not really. Well, 6-incher.
6, 7-incher?
Yeah. A little on the small side for keeping.
Yeah.
Not bad, though.
Yeah.
He just horsed it. Look at that. Like,
Yeah, they
every
crushed
time.
it. Yeah, they crushed the bait.
I forgot my pliers, and these things are so tiny. Oh, God.
Hello, fish. Do you want this?
Be a crappie.
Please be a crappie, that's right. Oh, he's just
he's going
racing to it.
Yep.
Oh my
Be a
goodness. I think it is. No, it is a crappie. Damn. There you go, they're doubled up. Not bad sizes though.
That's crappie. Look down there. There's one spinning.
Yeah.
Yeah, not terrible. Not keepers.
No, but just
Close.
some good fun.
Yeah. Still fish down there.
Yep. We'll show you guys how fast the action is so far. It's pretty fast at this moment, so.
Until you say that.
I know, right?
Yep. There's one.
See? He just got one right away.
Little one.
Jeez. That was fast. And there's one racing for mine. And this is probably the tiniest gill
Oh,
we have ever gotten.
2.5 inches.
Yeah. This is good catfish bait right here. I think he'll keep though. You get
Yeah.
a good fillet out of that.
Throw him in the grinder.
This one feels decent.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, there we go. That's what I'm
One of
talking
those
about.
8-9 inchers
Yep.
again.
This is
Hand
definitely a handful of
Yeah.
bluegill right here. Woo! Yep. Right there, guys.
That's
It's a
nice
great
one.
fish.
Yeah, that's the biggest one we got right in there. Right now.
Alright guys, fishing is absolutely just fantastic right now. We're just hammering good sized gills, and we got 3 crappie that we did not get on footage. Hopefully this one. It's my bait. But I want to shout out to all the subscribers out there who have subscribed to my channel. It means a lot to us. And, if you're not a subscriber and you do subscribe, we will be posting a lot of videos. Ice season has started off really good. I also want to shout out to one good friend down in Florida. Shout out to you, Matt Jeter, aka Bong Water Zombie. You know who you are, man. Alright guys, alright, that's what I'm talking about. Yes! Nice crappie. About 11-inch crappie right there. Great looking fish. This one's for you, Matt. I'll be keeping these on the ice. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness, that's what I'm talking about. Another good crappie. Yes. He's splashing all over the place. Oh my goodness. Got another one right here. I cannot multitask. That's how great the action is. Here. Another 10.5, 11-inch crappie. Gonna throw him on the ice and get this one reeled up. Look at that. Nice gill. Oh my goodness. Crazy action. About a 6.5, 7-inch gill. Get him down the hole. There we go. Here we go, guys. Finally getting into these crappies. Another great eater, about a 10-incher. Throw him on the ice. Alright, guys. I know this is a good fish. Oh yeah. Absolute tank of a gill. Jeez. About an 8-inch gill. 8.5, around that range. Get him back down there. Well. Alright. This is nuts. Fishing is just absolutely crazy right now. I hope you guys are enjoying this just as much as I am right now. We are just absolutely hammering fish from left to right. Can't even keep that rod right there. It's caught so many fish and I cannot multitask. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode of ice fishing, and we'll catch you guys next time on the ice.